common mistake webmasters make when developing a new website or hosting files on the web server that aren't necessarily meant for users is forgetting to block those files with the robots.txt file at the root of the server or at the root of the folder path that they're looking for. And it happens, not always, but it happens, and sometimes those subdomains stay up for quite a while, producing duplicate content issues or showing the search engines inappropriate content to what the business actually is about. But how do you know? How do you know as you're analyzing a website, if you don't have access to the web server, how do you know what subdomains exist or could be problematic? Well, hopefully the web developers will give you a list of all the subdomains if you ask for them. If not, the way to find out is simply going to a fun site called Wolfram Alpha. There you go. And from here, we can put in a URL like, I don't know, ebay.com. Click on search. And then what you'll find when it comes up is a link that says subdomains right here. Click on subdomains, and it'll tell you at ebay.com exactly what subdomains exist. And what you're going to want to look for as an SEO person is anything that is dev or staging or anything like that where we may be at risk of pushing duplicate content out to search engines because we forgot to add that disallow to our robots.txt file. This is a way for you to quickly identify those subdomains, isolate the ones that are problematic, and add that meta tag. In doing this, sometimes you come up with some really interesting subdomains. I looked at a site last year that had a whole subdomain of pictures of giganticism. And so the web developer was somebody who was really into that kind of stuff. And over 2,000 pages of really irrelevant content were indexed about something that had nothing to do with the technology project that we were working on. So we quickly had them de-index that entire subdomain, and rather quickly the search rank on the root domain came up. So anyway, this is a way that you can find those subdomains and hopefully ensure that no duplicate content or inappropriate content has been indexed by Google. This is Steve Wiedemann. Please leave any comments you have in the comment section below, and we'll hopefully see you on the next video. Thanks.